I didn't want to take your honor away. You're just another toy to me, discarded prey. And I didn't want to hear you crying today, but everything is what it is, and you won't stay in pain for long. No, you are strong. Please, I'm done with the bad disease. You're torn and holy. My mind is swimming in turpentine, dissolving slowly. You shiver like an earthquake shaking your heart. You crack a fissure, exposing every inch of your deepest part. And I never meant to make you crumble apart, but you've got a life ahead, so go and start to cauterize your wounded cries. Please, I'm done with the bad disease. You're torn and holy. My mind is swimming in turn.